In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change DNS in GoDaddy. If you're looking to adjust your domain's DNS settings, whether you're setting up a new hosting provider or simply updating your existing records, this guide will walk you through the process swiftly and smoothly. First, you'll want to begin by signing into your GoDaddy domain portfolio. GoDaddy is widely used by many for domain hosting, and accessing your domain portfolio is the first step in managing the specifics of your domain settings. Once you're logged in, you'll be in the control center of all your domains associated with your account. Next, you need to locate the particular domain you want to manage. You'll see a list of domains. Find the one you're planning to update and select the DNS option. When you click on DNS, you'll be able to view your domain's DNS records, which encompass a host of settings that dictate how your domain is connected to the internet. Under the Name Servers section, you have a crucial decision to make. If you want to manage DNS records directly within GoDaddy, select GoDaddy Name Servers. Alternatively, if you're opting for a third-party hosting service that has given you their own name server addresses, select I'll use my own name servers. This is where you'll need to input the new name server details provided by your hosting provider. Once you've entered this information, make sure to save the changes. Saving is important as it applies the changes, allowing your domain to communicate correctly with the new hosting settings. Now, let's look into modifying a specific record. If you're changing, for instance, the A record, which is typically used to point your domain to an IP address, then simply find this record in the list. Records are crucial as they direct where each domain and subdomain's traffic is routed on the internet. Clicking Edit next to the A record will bring up the editing interface. Here, you're going to adjust the points to value with a new IP address. It might be the one provided by your hosting service or the updated server destination you require for other purposes. After updating the IP address, be sure to save the changes again to ensure everything takes effect. These steps are all it takes to change your DNS settings in GoDaddy. Remember, DNS changes can take a little time to propagate across the web, sometimes up to 48 hours. So if it doesn't happen immediately, give it some time. By following these instructions, you'll have your DNS updated in just a few minutes, ensuring your domain's settings align perfectly with your goals. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this has been helpful.